Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Caramelo Official TV. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly turn the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. Today, this is the Tecno Pop 7, so I'm going to do unboxing and review of this smartphone now. Please stick around to find out. But before we go to that, this phone came with incredible features and you should find inside the box: the charger, the earpiece, and other things. And the phone came with 6.6 inches display and 5000 mAh battery and rear fingerprint. Wow! So in this video, I'm gonna share you guys the information you have to bear in mind about this device. So we are free to go. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Tecno Pop 7. So I'm going to do unboxing and review of this smartphone now. So stick around to find that. Opening the box, you will see the phone wrapped just like the previous Pop series. This phone came with 6.6 inches display, and another thing is that the frame and the back is made with plastic material. But before we go to that, let's on the phone first. Back to the unboxing, let's see other accessories that came with the phone. Secondly, we're gonna got this rubber case that fits the phone perfectly. I prefer the rubber case that came with Tecno Pop 7 more than the plastic case that came with Tecno Pop 6 last year. As for the plastic case, it can be easy to crack. Another thing we see is the cord, which can help for charging this smartphone, but it doesn't come with the USB Type-C cable. Secondly, we found the earpiece. Another thing that impressed me with Tecno Pop 7 is that it came with Android 12 on the box. Then we're gonna got this 12 plus 1 month warranty card. The last layer in the box is where we got the 10 watts fast charging brick, which we can use to charge up this device from 0 to 100%, not less than 3 hours and 45 minutes. Well, that is a long time. Now let's talk about performance. The Tecno Pop 7 is powered by Mediatek Helio A22 processor, which couples with 2GB of RAM provides sweet performance, and you can expand the RAM to another 2GB of RAM, making it 4GB of RAM. Another quirk where the Pop 7 shine is the battery performance. This phone came with 5000 mAh battery based on Android 12 on the box. Take a look at the Tecno Pop 7. It features 6.6 inches LCD display with screen resolution of 720 by 1612. In terms of storage, it comes with 64GB of internal storage. Moving to the build quality, you're gonna see the 2 camera bomb located at the back and the LED flashlight and the fingerprint. The fingerprint is so sensitive. The back and the frame of this phone is made with plastic material. Another thing is that this phone came with 8MP main camera. When moving to the bottom, you're gonna see the Tecno Pop branding located at the back. Does the Tecno Pop 7 changes color depending on the light condition, just like the Itel S23 4G? The answer is no. Because of what? It's because of the back is made with plastic materials, not glass. Does the Tecno Pop 7 made with Corning Gorilla Glass, just like other Tecno phones? The answer is no, because most of you might be asking, where is the screen protector? That is the reason why I asked that question. There is no screen protector, there is no Corning Gorilla Glass. Let's move to the sound quality when using this device for music. Wow, I must say the sound is okay. Wow. So tell me the sound that came out on the comment section below. Still on the video, as you're watching this video, please give me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell. That shows that you are telling me keep on improving. What is the Tecno Pop 7 a very nice phone for you to go for? I might say yes, because of what? It's because of the huge 5000 mAh battery and the optical CPU that came with this phone. Another thing that impressed me, the phone also came with 6.6 inches display. Moving to the bottom, you're gonna see the ear port, the network cable, and the charging point and the manual speaker. Moving to the right hand side, you're gonna see the power button and the volume rocker key. Moving to the top, there is nothing on the top. Moving to the left hand side, you're gonna see the sinker rejector. It comes with a couple of 2 camera bomb at the back and the rear fingerprint and a flash LED light. Moving to the gaming test, let me see how the device feel when playing game with this device. So tell me the sound that came out. So tell me the sound that came out when playing game with this device. I play football with this device up to 2 good hours. I don't see any lag, but I noticed that the device gets a little bit warm while looking at it. So tell me the sound that came out. I might say that the sound that came out when playing game with this device is okay. When playing heavy games with this device, I don't see any lag. I like the gaming experience. I play game with this device on a low graphics settings. Everything run pretty smooth. But I don't find this device being a solid gaming device because of what? It's because of the optical CPU processor that the phone came with. This is the rear camera using the 5MP of Tecno Pop 7. So tell me how the color look like and the sound that came out on the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So tell me the sound that came out on the comment section below when looking at it. I might say the camera look so great for its price point. This phone impressed me with a moderate price range like this. You can't complain. Let's see how the device looks like when using this device for consuming content. I enjoy watching movie with this device because of the 6.6 inches display. It's not so big, it's not so small. It's a very mid-range smartphone when using it to consume content. So tell me the sound and the audio quality that the phone produce when watching movie with this device. And as you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a video like this. So that's by the way. Hello guys, this is the front facing camera of Tecno Pop 7. So tell me how the camera look like on the comment section below. I might say it's really handling dynamic range little a bit, but with the price point, you can't really complain.
Wow, this camera is great. I love it.
Wow. So tell me how the camera look like on the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post a video like this. These are some of the pictures taken with the 8MP rear camera of Tecno Pop 7. So tell me how the image look like on the comment section below. When looking at it, I might say that some of the pictures taken with it is so good. For its price range, you can't really complain. So tell me the color that the phone produce on the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell. And as for the selfie camera, this some of the pictures taken with the selfie camera of Tecno Pop 7 using the 5MP front camera. So tell me how the color look like and the image that the phone produce on the comment section below, and do not forget to turn the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we publish a video like this. Wow, I like the color that this phone produce. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. Catch you guys on next one.